Melissa, people with pre-existing conditions are concerned that their cost of coverage could grow out of reach, and that is if states like Indiana opt out of that mandate that would prevent insurers from charging them more.
They both wear different types of insulin pumps, so that's the pod that Chris wears. This is what is on his body 24/7.
The shelves in Jenny Sullivan's laundry room are stacked with supplies for her two sons who are diabetic. She and her husband, Michael, spend $550 per month on insulin. That's with private insurance.
It's a lot, and there's times when we sat down and crunched the numbers and thought, I don't know how we do this every month.
But the insurance through her employer doesn't cover behavioral therapy for her 13-year-old son, Chris, who's autistic. The Sullivans pay for an additional plan under the Affordable Care Act to help with the cost of the in-home therapy.
We see somebody here who's highly intelligent and very capable of living an independent life, but it's really at risk if he doesn't develop properly and learn, some of the social skills.
Right now, the parents are worried about the cost to cover their children's pre-existing conditions going up. Long term, they're concerned whether the coverage will be harder to get.
It honestly had nothing to do with anything they did. It's overwhelming for two adults to think of what that means.
Susan Ryder is a consultant in the Employee Benefits Department at Gregory and Appel. Her advice to her clients is to be patient.
Will my pre-existing conditions be covered? And the answer is yes. Another question is, are my premiums going to go up? And the answer is possibly.
Ryder says it'll likely be some time before the cost of premiums for 2018 is clear. It's a number these parents will be watching. And there's still a great deal of uncertainty tonight. You heard it earlier, but this plan cleared the House. It now heads to the Senate, where major changes are not only possible, they are expected. We'll keep an eye on it. Reporting live at the State House, Katie Hines, RTV6.